Hi friends, myself I am Vishnu Karthik. I am a BU automobile engineer and also I am a design engineer of assembly automation machines. First of all, I would like to thank doctors, police, cleanliness workers and engineers. Yes, day-to-day engineers also invented new things to avoid this COVID-19 infection from one person to other persons. In this section, I will clearly explain about the sanitizer dispensing machine, what is already invented in our society, what I done, what I am creating and new things to in the sanitizer dispensing machine. Actually, sanitizer dispensing machines, they have two types. One is like a electronics, another one is like a mechanical. Electronics means here they are using a sensors and also it is a more expensive to compare a mechanical. It is fully automated. Mechanical means first, I will show one mechanical sanitizer dispensing machine. After that, we will discuss how I tell my design is the best to compare other mechanical sanitizer dispensing machine. Let's see. All the sanitizer dispenser machines have a designed to place the sanitizer bottle as well as in a vertical position only, which means the bottle is perpendicular to user. Consider it is that pedal. When we given the force from here, when we press this pedal, some mechanism will be transfer the force from here to here above the sanitizer bottle. So here force is acting. Here is the problem area. When we given the more force from here, when we given the more force, the fluid will be fall into somewhere here. Consider this distance is dx. If we are given a less force means the fluid will be fall into here. Consider this is a dx dash. Here we want to consider another one thing, that is fluid flow. Fluid flow is a big topic, like it is a internal flow or external flow, it is a compressible or incompressible, it is a steady flow or unsteady flow, it is a laminar or turbulent, it is a uniform flow. It is a big topic. Upcoming videos we can see that. Upcoming video we can see that. But here one main important thing is the viscosity of the fluid. Viscosity is depends upon density. Density means mass by volume. Yeah, volume is affected by temperature. When the temperature is increased, volume is also increased. When the volume is increased, density will be decreased. When the density will be decreased, viscosity also decrease. This is what happened. Just consider when we given a high force, just consider when we given a high force, in that time the viscosity of the fluid is high means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere here. The distance is considered the distance is considered dy. When we given a less force, that time the viscosity of the fluid is high means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere near to the fluid tap, sorry, sanitizer tap. Just consider dy dash. Same thing when we given a high force, in that time the viscosity of the fluid is low means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere more distance. Just consider this is dz. When we given a less force, when we given a low force, that time the fluid, the viscosity of the fluid is less means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere here. Let's consider dy dash. Here what happened, actually we don't know how much force we are given, what is the room temperature, it is a the fluid is in a high viscosity or low viscosity, that things and all we don't know. In case if the fluid is low viscosity and same time we are given a high force means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere more distant, and same time the sanitary bottle position will be the sanitary bottle is and same time the sanitary bottle is placed into perpendicular to user, so the fluid will be always fall into somewhere more distance. In case we are careless means the fluid will be fall into our dress. Otherwise otherwise we want to catch that fluid, these things will all happen. In case the viscosity is high, that time we are given less force means the fluid will be always fall into somewhere here only. Here what happened, it have a chance to our finger will be touch the tap of the bottle, because but that application is we don't need to do touch that bottle. This is our application. So problem number one is we don't know we don't know how much force we are given. The fluid is in a high viscosity or low viscosity, the distance also we don't know, so we want to do approximately we want to do to catch that fluid. This is the problem number one. Problem number two is actually we are placing that bottle vertical line only. In case the viscosity is high means the some fluid will be staying here, means we can't use this fluid because the viscosity is high, so here force is resting, so we can't use this fluid. If in case we want to use this fluid means we want to remove this bottle, after that we want to shaken it, then only we will use this fluid. So problem number two, we can't use full sanitizer bottle. Oh, so this is the two major problems what I find. So next step, we want to solve this. First thing, what force we are given? We are given a high force or less force? We don't know. Second thing, the room temperature, the viscosity of the sanitizer, it is in a high viscosity or low viscosity, that is also we don't know. Third thing, the distance. These things and all we don't know. But how can we solve these things? Actually, if we are decreasing that distance, which means the viscosity is less, and same time the viscosity is less, that same time we are given a more force. More force means the fluid will be always travel some more distance. We want to decrease this distance, then only human will be catch that fluid. So what I have planned to place the sanitary bottle in angle, in some angle, not a perpendicular to the user. If I place like this means if we are given a force here, actually I designed that machine, I designed some mechanism to transfer the force from here to here. So if we are whatever the force we are given, the fluid will be always like this, because of help of the gravity it will be always like this. Whatever the force we are given here, uh, what are the force we are given here? The fluid is in a high viscosity or low viscosity. The fluid will be always fall into somewhere here to here only. Here the distance is less to compare that problem number 1, because of here gravity is helping to us. So problem number 1 is solved. Yeah. Consider it is the bottom of the sanitizer bottle. This pen is like as a sanitizer tab. Now you can see the fluid will be always staying here. So we can't to use this fluids. Um, uh, we have solved that problem. What we done means we are not placing that sanitizer bottle as in a vertical line. We are placing that bottle as in some angle. Now you can see all the fluid will be come to in that one end. Before we are going to fit that sanitizer bottle into that dispenser machine, we want to fit that sanitizer bottle as in that one end of the sanitizer bottle. Then only we can use the all the drop of the sanitizer. So problem number 2 is also done.
Yeah, this is our design. All the sanitizer bottles are not have the same dimensions and same shape. That's why here we are design 3-axis adjustable arrangement. If you want to adjust it in y-axis means we can adjust it. If we want to adjust in z-axis means we can adjust it. If we want to adjust in x-axis means we can adjust it. When I press the pedal, the mechanism will be transfer the force from here to here, so the fluid will become. Yeah, if anybody want in this machine, please contact me. And if anybody have a doubt in related to mechanical and automobile, leave that in comment. Upcoming videos I will share my knowledge about in that topic. And when we share our knowledge, then only we will sustain the engineering field. Thank you. Have a nice day.